New York is one of the worst hit cities in the world. The pandemic peak of January 2021 left the healthcare system in a state of shambles. As the Delta variant continues to spread, state-run government is now bracing up to avoid a similar situation in the future. Our correspondent Susan Tehrani gets you all the details from this next report. Take a look.
A new incentive for New Yorkers to get vaccinated. Starting this Friday, anyone who goes to a city-run vaccination site for their first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine will receive $100.
We'll say thank you. We'll say we're really glad that you got vaccinated for yourself, for your family, for your community. And here's $100 to thank you for doing the right thing and to encourage people.
According to New York State Department of Health data, between 45% and 65% of New York City residents are fully vaccinated. New York City, once the epicenter of the coronavirus pandemic in all of the United States, has relied heavily on vaccinations to keep the numbers down. However, since April, the number of New Yorkers getting vaccinated has dropped significantly, with concerns of a possible surge in coronavirus cases with the new Delta variant and the impact it will have on New Yorkers' lives. It seems that state and city officials are doing everything possible to encourage people to get vaccinated. The mayor's announcement on Wednesday comes just days after he said all city workers would have to be vaccinated or go through strict weekly testing protocols.
President Biden is reported that he's going to announce soon that all federal employees must be vaccinated or get tested. New York State is doing the same. And we're working with our unions to implement this quickly and fairly. But we want to get it done by Labor Day. And I encourage all local governments to do the same. Cases are on the rise in New York City, driven by the explosion of the Delta variant. Last Friday, the rolling average of new daily cases was 32% higher than a week prior. Meanwhile, New York Governor Andrew Cuomo has suggested that cities in high transmission areas, which includes New York City, should, quote, seriously consider adopting the new CDC guidelines on indoor masking, even for vaccinated people. He stopped short, however, of fully mandating it, for now at least. Susan Tehrani from New York for WION World is One.
WION World is One is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news updates on the move.